alla Stimpirata, a dish older than the country that cooks it. From Siracusa, on the southeastern shore of Sicily, where cooks have balanced sweet against sour for more than 1,000 years. Some dishes are loud. This one is quiet. Rabbit from the dry hills, simmered slow with celery, green olives, and capers. A little vinegar softened with sugar. The restaurants rush it. They should not. Stim-peh-RAH-tah asks only for patience and for mint, always at the very end. Servings 4. 20 minutes of preparation, 50 minutes of cooking. Total time 70 minutes. 2.5 pounds of rabbit, 3 stalks of celery, 1 red onion, 4 cloves of garlic, a half cup of green olives, 2 tablespoons of capers, a half cup of white wine vinegar, a tablespoon and a half of sugar, a 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil, fresh mint, and salt. First, the rabbit. Cut into serving pieces and seasoned simply with salt. A 1/4 cup of olive oil warmed in a wide pan until it shimmers. The pieces go in, and we do not touch them. We let them turn golden on every side. The rabbit comes out to rest. The heat drops low, and into that same fragrant oil go the vegetables. Sliced celery, sliced red onion, and 4 cloves of garlic, gently smashed. They soften slowly until the whole kitchen turns sweet. Now the olives, green and bright, and the capers rinsed of their salt. In a small bowl, white wine vinegar is whisked with sugar until not a grain remains. This is the stim-peh-RAH-tah, the tempering. It is poured into the pan, and it lifts everything from the bottom in one sharp, fragrant breath of steam. The rabbit returns, nestled down among the olives and the celery. A half cup of water, and then the lid. And now we wait 40 minutes over the lowest flame. The bubbles are small. The sound is soft. There is nothing to do but let time do the work. When the meat is tender, the lid comes off. The heat rises just a little, and the liquid draws inward, thickening around the rabbit. Then the mint, a half cup of fresh leaves, torn by hand, folded through at the very last moment. And there it is, rabbit, glossed in a sauce that is sweet and sour at once. Green olives, capers, the cool green of mint against the warm dark of the meat. It rests covered for 10 minutes so the sharpness can settle. into something gentle. History and cultural origins. The sweet set against the sour, the agrodolce, came to Sicily with the Arabs. For more than 2 centuries, from the 9th to the 11th, they held the island. They brought sugarcane and citrus, and the quiet idea that vinegar could be tamed with a little sweetness. The caper is never planted. It grows wild from the cracks in old walls and from the volcanic stone. Sicilians have gathered it by hand for centuries, each small bud picked before it flowers, then cured in salt. It is the island itself, folded into the dish. There was a reason for the vinegar, beyond its taste. In the long Sicilian summers, before there was any ice, the agrodolce kept cooked food safe for days. Necessity taught the flavor. And when the necessity was gone, the flavor stayed. In Siracusa and along the coast toward Ragusa, stim-peh-RAH-tah is a dish of home. It is made ahead for feast days, for the Sunday table, for the meals eaten cool, in the shade, when the heat forbids the stove. It tastes best on the second day. To serve it, you do not rush, warm or cool, or somewhere in between, with bread to carry the sauce. Coniglio alla Stimpirata is the rarest kind of recipe, one that has survived conquest and famine and the slow forgetting of old ways. It survives because it was never trying to impress anyone. It was only trying to feed the people who loved it. And the table, at last, is set.